Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene Kufa. How are you doing there? Me, I'm good. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Today is on Monday, guys. I want to prepare dinner. Right now it's too early, but I have to make it fast because the electricity is going these days. It's 5 minutes past 4. Yes, so I want to prepare, guys, this one. My mother-in-law gave me yesterday. This one, it's pumpkin leaves. She came from the villages yesterday and she brings me this. So I want to cook it, guys. I want to cook it, then I'll cook pap. Or maybe I will start with pap. Let me start with papa first. Let's start with pap. Oh! Let me clean the pot first, guys, because I didn't. Okay, here I want to switch on the water for pap. Okay, yeah. So, guys, I want to cook pap first. There's no water, guys. Eh, it's hard. No water. Right now, guys, I'm running. I'm doing it fast to cook papa because the electricity is going at 5:30. And right now it's past 4. Just imagine. Because if the electricity goes, I have to cook fast. I don't know if you can see me what I'm doing here. Here I'm mixing mini meal and cold water first. Mini meal and cold water. You have to mix it first. For those who doesn't know how to cook pap, so I'm waiting for my water to boil because I have to use hot water. And the prince is in the toilet, so I said no, let me put my phone on the tripod. So I'm waiting for my hot water to boil so that I'll start cooking. As for now, guys, I don't know how I can do it. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have my, look, pumpkin leaves, small pumpkin, and 2 tomatoes. So I want to put it inside my pot. I'm waiting for the water to boil, the water for the pap. So let me do this. Where can I put this water here? I want to pour this water. This one. Hey, where can I pour it? Okay, let me just leave it inside there. So like this, guys, at the villages, they don't cut with knife. You have to do like this. For those ones who stays in the villages, they know. You can just swish it with your hands. And it's soft. It's soft. You know, right now it's winter. These vegetables, they are finishing. So it's just left the soft ones. You don't cut with a knife. No. Squeeze it. That's how you will cut it. See? Like this. Put inside the pot. I've already washed it so many times. It's clean. It's only that I put inside here so that it will remain fresh. Because my mother-in-law brings it yesterday. She came from the villages in Limpopo yesterday. Yes. So I do like this. And this one I have to cut it. I have to cut it. It's so soft. I can peel. See, you can peel the skin. Don't cook with the skin. Peel it. That's how we cook pumpkin leaves. This one is not for buying. I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it, guys. Straight from the villages. Straight from the villages. Even today, I went to see my mother-in-law. She was cooking this one. She was cooking it. Okay, so again, just cut small ones like this. As you can see right now. Today I will eat good, yo. I'll eat so good. Yes, I finished now. Right now I want to cut tomatoes. I have to put two tomatoes because hey, I know these vegetables. It needs too much tomatoes. Hey, my water for pap is boiling now. Let me finish cutting these tomatoes. Because the electricity is gone. And my gas is almost finishing. I can hear it. Almost finishing. Yeah, my water is okay now. Okay. Here I'm finished. Let me put salt and I bought soda. This one is soda and salt. I put same time, everything, same time, guys. You see? This is soda. Yeah, it's okay, that one. Just put inside here. That's why I love these things. These ones. You can put something like this and just cover it. I don't know about cooking oil, but my husband doesn't want this. I don't know why. Guys, if you cook this one only, you have to put cooking oil, but not too much. Just a little. Little. Like this. You see? It's enough. Don't put too much. Yes. So as you can see, guys, I put everything. Pumpkin leaves, tomato, the pumpkin itself, a small cooking oil, small one, like a half a teaspoon. Yes. And bicarbonate of soda. I don't put water because the water that one I was washing with, it's okay. So I have to put here. I don't know if you can see me. Let me change. I don't think so. You can see me. So I have to switch on my stove. It's on. Yes. Now let's concentrate on pap. Let's concentrate on pap now. Pap. Put here. Okay. Yeah, My water is already boiled. I was boiling my water under here. Let me put water to my mixture. This is for dinner. Guys, look, someone is playing music, guys. I cannot believe it. Serious, I cannot believe it. Why I'm doing my video? I don't know. Okay, now let me close it. Look, yeah. Let me put here water a little bit. I can see there's no water. You see, there's music and I don't have a chance to finish this video, guys. I don't know what to do. This is the life which I have here. Yes. Look, guys. Guys, there's music. Hey. I think I need more water here. I have to put more water. I have to put more water. No. I cleaned this. I want to eat it. See, guys. It's shakalabagla. I'm waiting for the music to stop so that I can record. Guys, I'm suffering. I'm telling you. Oh, look. Let me close it. Okay, let me put another water here. Put another water. It's coming out so good. But it must be soft. Let me leave it like this. Hey, look. Look, guys. Hey. Beautiful. See, guys, I want to change it. Let me put it on top here. Because it's already cooked. Yes, let me start to cook my papa now. Papa is difficult to cook. It needs a pot with handle. This one, my handles, they're broken. So you have to be careful so that the papa will not go down. So guys, look. Eh? Right now I want to eat this one. Melon. Yeah. Right now I'm cutting my melon. It's so soft. The way I cut it, I can hear it's soft. Give me salt. Do it fast. Yes, I can do like this. Yeah. Then you eat. Music, guys. I ran away from music. So good. With salt. I've already finished cooking papa, guys. It is because of music, because of electricity, guys. I have to cook this time. You see, the sun is sunsetting there. I cannot reach there. You can see the sign of the sun is going to sunset there. Let me go up here. Yes, my neighbor just came from work. Just came to straight to the radio. Hmm? To switch on the radio. He started from work, but he doesn't want to rest. Full blast music. Let's go inside and show you how I cooked it. But I'm not going to save now because it's too early. It's just that no electricity. You can hear the music. Hmm? Done. Guys, I finished everything. Please take me a thumbnail. Okay. So guys, I finished. You see, I'm not saving now because I just did it because electricity will be gone, guys. Look how delicious it is. Yeah, so good. I can just leave it like this. Yes, because my stove doesn't put too much heat. It's okay like this. Yes, so good. Okay. Hey guys, I came this side because there's no too much music. I finished cooking. As you can see, I showed you. Today. I'm going to eat good. I'm going to eat good. Even my husband will come and eat it. Yes, because it's fresh from the villages. It's not that one for sale that you don't know. Maybe you bought the vegetable which is not good, but that one. And even this again, I was hearing the aroma that is fresh from the farms. So good. Yes. So thank you so much, guys, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. Thank you so much, and for watching, guys. I want you to watch my videos from start until the end, so that, guys, I'll have some nice view, nice watch hours, guys. I'm depending on you guys. You're the only one who can do better than me. Yes, you can do it for me. I know. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Yes, to your sister here, guys. Guys, I forgot to tell you. Right now, I registered for PayPal. I have a PayPal right now, but I don't know how to put it in the videos, like YouTube videos, so that people, if you want to donate or if you want to support me with something, I don't know, you can just put on that PayPal. Yes. So that PayPal, I put it in the live stream when I do a live stream. If you want to donate or to support your sister with something, if you see me doing live stream, go to my description box. You can see my PayPal account there. Then you can donate your money from there. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video.